So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Premiere Pro is video playback is lagging without rendering. Now how you can fix that without even rendering your process. Now for example, if I try to play this video, you'll notice that it might lag sometimes. Now in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply, you can see this option right there that is set to full. Just simply tap over there and select the lowest value available. For example, in my case it's 1/4. So if I select that now, if I try to play back the video, you'll notice that the video gets a little blur for playback, but the playback will going to be smooth. So you can, when you are editing, it will be definitely helpful for you to in order to understand the changes that you have done on the project. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.